Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to Little Windy Hill. We are in the garage. We've been waiting on this table behind me for quite a while now. It is 5 foot wide and 12 foot long, and that is going to be coupled with our Woodpeckers slab flattening mill. We've got the extended version. So today we got the table in, I've got the rails behind me. We're going to start to put this thing together, see how it goes. All right guys, we got the table, we got the slab flattening machine mounted on the table. I set the table the other day and I was gonna start on it, but it was the middle afternoon, 90 something degrees outside, so I came out here this morning about 6 and started putting everything together, and it took me till about 11 to really get this whole thing assembled and shimmed up and get the router mounted on there. I bought a Triton 3 1/4 horsepower. Let's see, the model is a TRA 001 router. I don't remember how much it was. I want to say about 300 bucks. It was definitely less expensive than some of the other ones. The bit I bought has 4-sided blades on it that you can rotate. There's actually, I bought some replacement blades. I just stuck this little piece of wood on here. It's probably maybe 2 foot square, and it took 3 passes to get it somewhat level. I didn't take much off at a time, maybe a 1/16 of an inch. And then I did one final pass to just smooth the whole thing. That way the blade hit the whole piece. Anybody that's like a woodworker, I do not know what I'm doing. I am just YouTube warrioring it. So I watched a bunch of videos and said, "Oh, that looks like fun." So that's what we're doing. It is lunchtime now, and it's probably 95 degrees out here in North Carolina with 100% humidity. So I'm gonna go inside. Y'all have a good day. There'll be more to come with this.